Okay, so this is now the code part of my game, which is pretty massive. So I'm just gonna close all tabs and go over one by one. So there are multiple different classes. First, I'm gonna go over the character class. So I use inheritance in my game. So base character is actually in like the base of every single characters. Like my enemy and my main character, which I call slash character, will be inheriting from this base enemy. So as you can see, there's a bunch of function that I have spent hours refactoring. So yeah, next is character types. It's just basically enums, and slash anim instance is for the animation. Ground speed is following. This is mostly for the logic of the animation blueprint. This is a slash character dot h, which is my main character that I was playing. I was using Echo. So this stuff set overlap at so as you can see, there's not too many functions right here because a lot of it was already inherited from base character. Next is I have components. So I use attribute components to set things like health, max health, stamina, dodge course, go, and so somebody is holding. And next is my enemy. Enemy has these things: initialize, check compat target to patrol, and that kind of good stuff, as you can see. So there's a lot to show in a 5-minute video. So there you go. And next is the HUD, the health bar for the enemy. Not much here. Health bar component. This is the HUD for the health bar and the stamina bar, and it shows the goals and the soul you have. And the slash overlay. There you go. So this is like, yeah, this is the progress bar and the stamina progress bar of the health, go, and souls. Yes, it worked together like that. So the interface, the hit interface. Oh yeah, I implement blueprint. Actually, not blueprint interface, but the C++ interface. So the hit interface and pickup interface. If you, I mean, I can explain it, but it's not enough time for a 5-minute video. But Sharia, you know exactly what I'm talking about, the interface, using observer design principle. Okay, next is weapons. So yeah, sure, it's actually inherited from the items. So item has a few functions like this, and then weapon inherit from item. Help pickup also inherit from item. Soul also inherit from item. So treasure also inherit from item. So soul is something a character drop when they die. Like when I kill an enemy, they will drop a soul and I can pick it up. And the treasure is after I break the pot, it will spawn randomly a treasure. And next is pawn. Pawn is just a bird I used to fly around the level. Nothing impressive. Yeah, that's breakable actors. Yeah, also I want to show you like, yeah, get hit implementation is use interface. But yeah, that's pretty much about it. Like I don't think I would be able to go through the actual CPP files with you, but let's see which one is the most impressive. The most impressive one is the enemy because it got implement the root motion, which I can show you here. So enemy. So let's say I choose the giant, ABB giant, and also I want to say that I use animation template to let my enemies inherit them on. So I don't just create a separate animation blueprint for every single enemy, but I let them inherit. Anyway, so let's keep going. So let's look at, yeah, so I use motion warping. Sharia, you know exactly what I'm talking about. For those who don't know, too bad. But anyway, I have to give credit to the guy that I'm taking this course from, is Stephen Ulibarri. He's an instructor on Udemy, and this is the course I take from him. It's 53 hours long, and yeah, I finished it all. So thank you for watching. And if any of you have any extra question, if you want to see my code, anything, let me know. Feel free, hit me up. I will for sure. And this is my email. If you want to send me an email to understand further. There's just something that I just cannot talk about in a 5-minute video. So here you go. Thank you.